With the COVID-19 experience, we worked from home starting in March, and we were on Teams all the time. So I felt it was time to bring some of the apps to Teams. I set up a development platform in Teams where I develop all my apps. We're trying to work very lean and efficient. By building our applications on the Power Platform in Teams, it helps us collaborate a lot better. It also helps us save money over having to contract third-party vendors to create applications for us or to license third-party apps. Creating them in-house very quickly on the Power Platform, it's low code. Sometimes even the departments create them themselves with guidance from our department. They get the things delivered quickly and efficiently and for a lot less money, saving the company hundreds of thousands of dollars. For example, the payroll action form was a faxed process. And we have a lot of stores, and if an employee's time card didn't match up and they had to do a quick fix before paycheck time, and in some states, there's regulatory penalties if you don't do it within a time period. Getting those faxes signed off was very difficult for the user, a lot of man hours. So we developed an application that did this for them. It helped workflow notify people that they have approvals to do, and we're able to push this app out to all the stores. That saved us a lot regulatory-wise, and it solved the problem in man hours. We work with the business partners to collaborate, test, use all of the software development lifecycle in Teams, and then we deploy the app. Now with Project Oakdale in Teams, I see endless possibilities.